Hi, this is Red Military Antiques, and today's video is going to be a history lesson about this World War II helmet. If you look closer at the helmet, part of it's worn off, it's in bad condition, but it's an air raid warden Wilshire division helmet. And this has a story to it. A lot of people don't know about these kind of helmets. It has original liner, which is very bad condition. And I'll tell you a story about this type of helmet back in World War II. Back in World War II, the U.S. United States of America, when they went to war with FDR, Franklin D. Roosevelt, was with war with Nazi Germany and with Japan after they bombed Pearl Harbor. The United States of America was afraid of being bombed, so they decided to put air raid sirens across the whole entire USA, and they put civilians in charge of, and some soldiers too, in charge of wearing these types of helmets back in World War II, the air raid warden helmets. The same helmet you're looking at. And so when the air raid sirens would go off, people who were in charge to wear these helmets would bring the civilians to the bomb shelters back in World War II. And they used these helmets all the way up to World War II, all the way up to the 1980s, which was the Cold War. But mine is from the World War II. So that's the history. Hope you enjoyed the video. I did. You learn something new every day from me. I enjoy making videos from you guys. Talk to you later. Bye.